Everyday kitchen struggles, right? Chopping onions brings tears, cooking takes too much time, it's always a mess. But now I found the perfect solution, the Kitchen Dory handy vegetable and fruit chopper. Just pull the string, and your veggies are ready in seconds. This little machine chops onions, tomatoes, dry fruits, almost everything, in just 5 seconds. No electricity, no stress. I personally use it every day for making salads. It saves my morning time, keeps my hands safe, and the kitchen looks neat too. You don't need to take out a separate knife or cutting board. Just grab this chopper, pull once, and you're done. It's compact, super easy to clean, and best of all, it's totally affordable. Perfect for anyone with a busy kitchen routine. If you're looking for a smart kitchen tool, trust me, this is a must-have. Click the link in the description and grab yours now before it runs out of stock.